My name is Angel, and I had a breast reduction with Dr. Kenkel. For anyone that's on the fence about getting a breast reduction, I will tell you it has been extremely life-changing. I feel so much better physically, mentally, emotionally. My confidence is amazing. Dr. Kenkel did so good with my surgery in terms of how the placement of everything is. He absolutely exceeded my expectations, and my recovery time was extremely minimal. I was back up and going to the office after a week. I had literally no pain, and I hardly used any of the medications that were prescribed to me. So everything was phenomenal. Anytime that I had a question about anything regarding my surgery prior to and even after, Dr. Kenkel will respond almost immediately back to me. And I have a big family and a loving, supportive family, and every step of the way, they came with me to my appointments, and not only did Dr. Kenkel answer my questions, but he answered theirs too. And I really, really appreciated that, because when you're going through an experience of having a surgery for the first time ever, sometimes there's questions that you may forget to ask. And it's nice knowing that you have an amazing doctor that is sensitive not only to your needs, but to your family. One of the fun things the day of my surgery that we did, they asked me to play my favorite song. And it just felt so good to have Dr. Kenkel there giving me positive energy and allowing my family to wave me off as I went by and went back in. Again, if you are considering this surgery, I highly recommend Dr. Kenkel. The way I look now compared to where I was is extremely a 180. I just think this is one of the best decisions that I've ever made for me, for myself, and for my future. And the results and his craft and the way that he does the art that he does with the body is, I just could not have asked for a better outcome. Anytime that you think about having a surgery, it's extremely nerve-wracking. And for me, it was actually the first surgery that I've ever had in my life. And it was a huge decision, but I heard so many positive things about Dr. Kenkel in terms of like how he treats his patients, how responsive he was, and just the level of service from his staff. And I came in for my appointment and my consultation, and everything was perfect. Everyone was so nice, so calm, welcoming to me. All of my questions were answered, and it was pretty soon I had my surgery. I had my surgery procedure in Dallas. But the cool thing is that I'm local to Collin County, and so I was able to have my office visits and all of my post-op and pre-op appointments at the Frisco, Texas office. So that was really convenient for me for my commute. So I really appreciated that as well. I did not require any overnight stay, which was amazing. I came home. It was extremely nice to just be home and not have to worry about the overnight stay and all of the stuff that comes with it. I think the biggest fear and concern that we all have is just, quite honestly, going in for the surgery and having someone that we trust to do it, that will give you the outcome that works best for your body and your needs and your desires. And it takes a lot of trust and respect. And with Dr. Kenkel, I not only gave him, trust to do my procedure, but with my life. I felt so safe the entire time. And the results, I cannot emphasize anymore how amazing they are. It has been life-changing. My confidence is something that I've never had before, and I feel so much better about myself. It was an amazing experience from beginning to end. And it's only been, I think, 3 months since my surgery, and my scars are already pretty much becoming non-existent. And I know that that's one thing that I often considered and thought about, is how would the scarring look. Dr. Kenkel, thank you so much for what you did for me. I am so blessed that I had someone as caring, kind, genuine, and just skillful as you to be with me throughout this process. You have changed my life, and it is my hope for you that any and everyone that is considering breast reduction would just support you, because you have been phenomenal for me. Thank you.